Story of fireworks. Ancient Chinese celebrations were deemed grand only if fireworks were illuminating the skies. The Chinese also believed that firecrackers scared away evil spirits. The ancient Song dynasty of China is credited with the invention of fireworks. The first firecrackers were hollow tubes of bamboo that were flung into the fire. These tubes exploded with a great noise as the air inside heated up. Pyrotechnicians of the Song dynasty packed gunpowder into hollow paper tubes. They ignited these crackers with the help of a short fuse. The fireworks traveled to Arabia and from there to Europe via the Silk Route. Arabian travelers have written about the great Chinese flower in the sky as they describe the beauty of fireworks. Fireworks arrived in India with gunpowder. The Mughals used gunpowder to great advantage as they rolled into India. Later, fireworks were used to celebrate royal weddings, birthdays, and special events. After independence, India built its own factories, and Sivakasi in Tamil Nadu became synonymous with firecrackers. The increasing menace of pollution, both air and noise, has put a dent in fireworks. The use of child labor in the factories of Sivakasi has further burdened the industry. The use of green crackers or less noisy crackers might keep the tradition of firecrackers alive. Question and answer. Question 1. Which dynasty is credited with inventing fireworks? The Song dynasty of China is credited with the invention of fireworks. Question 2. How did fireworks reach Europe? The fireworks were taken from China by the Arab traders through the Silk Route into Europe. Question 3. Name the famous firecracker factory in India. Sivakasi in Tamil Nadu is the famous firecracker factory in India.